We're at the FINIXIA booth at CCIF now with Jason. Jason, hello.
Nice to meet you. How are you?
Good. So tell me all about Sharp White. I remember seeing this product at SEMA, and
Yep.
you guys are displaying it here. Tell me all about it.
Yeah, so this is our Canadian debut for the Sharp White. It's replacing our older green sandpaper. The technology is advanced and improved. This is a ceramic aluminum oxide sandpaper. It's got a coating so there's less clogging. It's actually hold, so it's good for a vac system or a non-vac system. We're introducing it today, and our gentleman from Germany, Belgium, is coming over, and we're introducing it to the shops next week. So
besides the reducing clogging, what are the main step-ups from your last edition of this?
It's a ceramic aluminum oxide. We were just an aluminum oxide previously. The cutting is better. The pieces will break off instead of wearing down, so that you're always going to have a sharp edge. Like I said, the coating's there, so it's anti-clogging. It's not going to burn, and it's just, we've used it in Belgium last June, and we compared it against the big boys out there, and we fared very, very well. And it's about a cost savings of about 30% to the shop.
What's been kind of the reception so far that you've gotten from it?
This is it for the start, so it's the reception's quite well. Now it's just proving it to the market that it can do what we said it could do, you know? So, yeah.
So what else are you showing here at your booth? It's a pretty extensive booth, so show me around.
Yeah, this is our newest exciting product, but one of the ones that we've been selling for a couple years now is our one-step polish compound. Other compounds out there have step 1 bottle, step 2 bottle, step 3 bottle, and basically it does all that in one go. It's green in color, and that's its high cut. After 15-20 seconds being worked in, it'll turn white, which is its medium cut, and finally it'll go clear, which is its swirl mover stage. It's water-based, so there's not going to be any dieback. It's water-based, so if it does splatter, there's not going to be any staining on the plastic or rubbers. Just an overall great product, simple to use. It's just controlled by speed. This is Tony Gibbons from out west, and she's been with us about a year now, and she's got a background in the painting side of things, and she's put these pretty much through all the tests, and she's very happy with it. So yeah, she approves.
Okay, so streamlining the entire process into one step, approximately how much time is that saving?
It could save anywhere between 5 and 15 minutes.
Wow.
This process literally takes a minute. It'll take out 3,000 sand scratches easy. It's just the process. It's all about saving time and money and material. And that's what the body shops appreciate. Like I said, we go against the big boys, and this is just knocking everybody else down, let's say that. Yeah. So, yeah.
All right, and looking forward to the future, what can we expect from FINIXIA in the year 2020?
Well, in 2020, we'll be at, FINIXIA is actually based in Belgium, European Design and Technology. Automechanica will be in September. It's the biggest trade show in the world. And FINIXIA will probably be releasing, I don't know, anywhere from 15 to 30 new products at the market, at the show then, and then they'll filter over to North America. So we are hoping to go over there in June, maybe July, a little closer to the show, and we'll be introduced to the new products there, and we'll put it through the paces and uses, and we'll get to see it in practice.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, Jason,
all right. Thank you, guys.
Tony, thank you so much. All right.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. This was a Media Matters production. If you liked what you saw, subscribe for more, or check out our other videos.